In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change processing time on Etsy listings. Keeping your processing time accurate is essential for setting buyer expectations and avoiding late shipments, so we'll walk through the exact clicks and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the first result that takes you to Etsy's official site. Once you're there, log into your account as you normally would. After you've signed in, head to your account menu and open Account Settings. From there, navigate to your Shop Manager, which is where you'll manage your listings and shop tools. Inside Shop Manager, look to the left-hand menu and click on Listings. This will bring up all of your active and draft listings. If you want to update several at once, check the box next to each listing you want to change. To quickly select everything on the page, use the checkbox at the very top of the list. This is especially handy during seasonal updates. If you don't see the editing options, make sure at least one listing is selected. With your listings selected, find and click Editing Options, then choose Change Processing Profile. This opens the processing time settings for the items you selected. You can pick from your existing processing profiles, or click the option to create a new one if you need different timing for certain products. When you're choosing or creating a profile, you'll see the option to set whether the item is made to order or ready to ship. If it's made to order, pick the number of days you typically need to produce the item before shipping. If it's ready to ship, select the time frame that reflects how quickly you can package and dispatch it. Use the drop-down to choose the number of days. Be realistic here. Build in a little buffer for busy periods, custom work, or delays. And remember that processing time is separate from shipping time. Buyers will see this window on your listing, so it's better to set an accurate range than to overpromise. Once your selection looks right, click Apply. Etsy will update the processing time for all the listings you selected. Give it a moment, then scan your listings to confirm the changes took effect. That's it. You've adjusted your processing time using profiles, which makes future edits faster and more consistent across your shop. Keep your processing profiles up to date as your workload changes and revisit them ahead of holidays or sales. Clear timelines build trust and help you deliver a great customer experience.